welcome back to my channel. I asked you guys on Instagram a couple of days ago if you wanted to see a room tour. I thought you guys were going to say no because I thought that you might have found that a little bit boring, but surprisingly 86% of you said that you wanted to see it. So right now I'm in the kitchen. I have my room ready for you guys to enter. So anyways, without further ado, let's just get into my room. So the first things that we have is this wall right here. I have some of my goals, my 2018 goals on this wall, so I could see it every day and apply them to my everyday life. Then we have this mirror, and I put some of these so it would look really cute. So over on this counter we have some of my nail polishes. We have a little starfish from a trip I went to. Then we have my dead plant and my other dead plant. Guys, please don't tell my mom that they are dead because she's gonna kill me. Next here we have my jewelry little holder, I guess. I got this jewelry holder on Marshall's. It's a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna clean it soon. Right here we have some of my earrings, some of my bracelets and rings. Really cute. Then we have my favorite nail polish colors. And then we have some bandanas so I can see them every day and decide which one I am going to wear. Next we have this little stand. I'm thinking it is from Urban Outfitters maybe. And here I hold lots of other jewelry that I have that I don't really use in the daily basis, but it looks cute there. Then we have another mirror that it's really like weird, you know, to have one mirror and then the other one, but I just had to buy this cute mirror when I first saw it on Marshall's because it is so cute, and I thought it will be so positive to look at it every single day because it literally says you look amazing, and I love that quote. Then we have two of my sunglasses here. We have my LA little baseball cap. Next we have two photos, two Polaroid photos to be exact. This one is from December. I'm here with my little dog Goldie, and then I am here with another dog. This is my cousin's dog Chanel. So that's basically it for this part. Then we have this little closet here, and I have my Guess mini book bag. When I open this, I basically have, let's see, I have like stuff to clean, stuff to storage. This is like my little storage room. Kind of inside of my room we have some toilet paper, cleaning materials, you know, that basic adulting stuff. Let's just close this. Before we get into the actual room, I want to show you the vibes that these lights give. Let me just turn them off. Ooh, look at those vibes that putting these lights over here give to the room. I love them. Such nice vibes. I love it. Wow. Okay, so after this little mini room that we have here, we have this metallic door that I barely use. It is literally like always like this on the side because we literally have one door over here as well. So let's see. So we are going to enter my room now. So the first thing that we see is this wallpaper that I haven't had the time to actually put it on the actual wall. So it's honestly just there. Before I continue, I want to make a quick overview of what my room looks like. It's just a simple little room. It's kind of big. But you know, I'm in college. I can't have a fancy room because I'm broke, but this will do. So the first thing that we have here is this little cabinet thing. Is it called a cabinet? How is this called? If we look at it, it has a really amazing Bath and Body Works candle. This is the mahogany coconut scented candle, and it smells amazing. Then we have some products that Carol's daughter sent me, and I cannot wait to try them. They are such amazing people, and I thank them every single day for sending me some of their products. Then we have some of my perfumes. Honestly, these are my favorite perfumes ever. We have the Fancy by Jessica Simpson. We have Tease by Victoria's Secret. We have Fantasy by Britney Spears. And last but not least, we have Vintage Blossom by Jessica Simpson. Let's just put this back on. That fell. Stay. Okay, so now we have some body cream. This is the Multi-Care Multi-Cream Nutrients Cream. Then we have some Brazilian Balm Cream from Sephora that it came as a sample. Then we have this Dove deodorant. This is the best one yet. Next we have some hair products as well. We have this little Paris box that I got from Marshall's, and this we have the cutest picture I've ever taken with my boyfriend. Like, this picture is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love it. I love it so much to look at it every single day. Next we have another hand cream. This is from the aromatherapy section from Bath and Body Works. Then we have some Vapor Rub Vicks, because I don't know about you, but my family literally solves every single problem with Vicks. Then we have this little tissue box that I still have from the hotel that I went to during summer. Then we have these curtains. I am such a girly person. Wow, I haven't noticed this till now. But it looks really good. Then we have this. Here I have my underwears. Second one we have my PJs, and the third and fourth shelves are literally random things. So when we go to this area, we have a bed. This is a queen size bed. On top of that bed we have a little quote that I've loved since the moment I first read it, and it says, "The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way." And that is one of my life mottos. But now we have my huge bed. It is a queen sized bed, and we have a rug and my pink slippers that I got from Victoria's Secret. So this is basically, I think it's from Marshall's. It is absolutely beautiful. We have a silk pillow, which is this one right here, because I've heard that silk is really good to sleep with for your hair not to get tangly during the night. Then we have another mirror. Here I am. And then we have this ugly window that I don't know what to do with it, but you know, it's there. I can't just take it away. Then we have a fan because it's really hot in here. So this is my closet. It is really big. Let's just open it to see what's inside. So this is part of my closet. We have a suitcase, and then we have all my clothes here. This is like the part of my closet that I keep my pretty clothes, and then on that side I keep like the clothes that are not that pretty. But yeah, it is just so colorful, right you guys? literally bought this 2 days ago, like that sweater. I think it's perfect for fall, so I cannot wait to actually wear that. We have the jackets right on this corner, then we have the long sleeved sweaters, then we have some crop tops around this part, short pants, skirts, some flowy pants, then we have the jeans. Like, I literally divide this in such a unique way, to be honest. Then we have some of my dresses and rompers, and that's basically how I divide my closet. Let's just close this. So this is the other side of my closet. I usually wear these clothes when I go to university because I am riding a bike and I cannot afford to ruin my pretty clothes because I sweat a lot. We have here my shoes. Here I have all of my cute sneakers, some of my heels, and cute sandals and some boots. We have here some of my boots as well and some heels, and that's basically it. So over here in this place we have a little wallpaper that says love is the greatest adventure. Like this video if you agree. And then we have my little study section. We have a trash can, as you can see over here. Then we have this little book that a friend recommended it to me. Then we have the Wi-Fi underneath that. Then we have some of my books that I use to keep track of my YouTube videos. We have the Canon battery pack sitting there and my Canon case. We have some of my books, my study books for college. Then we have my business cards that I literally got a couple of days ago. I cannot wait to show them to people. Then we have this little bag where I recollect things that I am planning to give away to you guys. So you've seen a little sneak peek. Make sure that you are following me so you guys could know when that little bag becomes available for the giveaway. Here we have a really cute water bottle thingy. We have some hand cream, some pencils and pencil holders. We have an umbrella. We have a poncho. I have my cell phone right here and some of my notes. This one I literally use every single day, and I recently bought this one as well, and I think it is perfect. It says yes she can, things to get done, work in progress, and what things to conquer. So it is a really motivating little notebook. Here we have some of my office things. We have some tape, some calculators, sticky notes, some I forgot how this is called as well. But anyways, here we have some books that I plan to sell. And over in this area right here, we have a little card game that I played once with my friend. And we have some notepads, some other books. We have index cards, other sticky notes. And last but not least, we have this little shelf right here. These are two shelves that actually I stacked them together. But here it's my makeup box. Look at it. This is all the makeup that I own, you guys. Then we have some things that I use daily, like moisturizers, sunscreens, and some facial sprays. Then we have some shave gel, some shaving thingy, and this cute mirror that actually turns on when I press the button. It's dirty, but it's okay. This is my room. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom now, but here it is a little overview of my room so you guys could see what is in here. So this is my shower curtain and my shower. We have two little towel holder things, but I use them both for me. We have this cute shower curtain right here that goes really well with the toilet that's also blue. We have a toilet, and we have a trash can over here, the thing to clean the toilet bowl. We have another thing that Carol's daughter sent me. We have a Lush mask that I haven't used ever before. Then I have some of my candles. First thing that we have is this coconut sandalwood gentle foaming hand soap from Bath and Body Works. Then we have another mirror. This mirror was really ugly, and what I did was that I put these little things right here to make it more feminine and make it cuter, and I think it worked. It looks really, really good. Cleanser, thick exfoliator, and this toner. I also have here a lip scrub from Lush. And that is it, guys, for this room tour. I swear that my shoulders are killing me for holding this tripod for a long time. So I'm just here chilling in my bed. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who voted on my Instagram polls. I really hope that you all enjoyed this room tour of my apartment. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Please make sure to leave a comment down below interacting with me. Honestly, just leave a comment down below saying whatever you want. I always answer to my comments. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.